Oh man, I think I got it. It's up now. Board was struggling, now the fish is on. So bring that, yep, bring it on that far corner. So he's going over here. And we're gonna bring that board right across the top of that inside board. Man, that fish fought really good. It doesn't look very big.
Bring the star away.
Yeah. Steady, Eddie. She's not over there yet. Bloop. There it is. That's how it works, huh, Mallard?
Just like that.
Fisher tackle spoon.
Video's done.
Oh, let me see him.
No more vid.
There he is. Beauty. Middle board's got a fish on it. You can see the diver. It's green. I can't really even tell if I'm got the camera on it or not. A lot of bugs today. There it is. There's another indicator. See, once it's up, if it's a small fish, the board will come way forward. See how the middle board is way ahead of the other two now? Because it's pulling easy. And that diver's right on top with that fish. So now we just reel him in. We'll probably let this inner board, the inner board, we'll let it out further and we'll bring this up under it. Real easy. Oh, there we go. So that one's getting hit hard right now. That inner board. Now watch, we'll see how long it takes. That's probably a sheep. That's a hard hit. Hey fish, we got a dog. Little buddy. So there, see, he's up. See it? The inner board. Hey, crank this inner line in, would ya, somebody? Okay, let's see what it is here. Ah, it's a sheep. Yeah. But you can see that it won the battle. It wasn't too long. It pulled him up. Watch your foot. That spoon's taking, that's a fourth fish.